Hey viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Today is day 4 of our Leetcode SQL 50 series. So today we are going to start the most important topic, and that is join. In case you don't have the basic idea of join, please go through it. I have provided a link in description. Please check it out. Though in this video, I will try my best to explain each and everything in details from basic, and will also share some trick how to write query like pro. So let's see the first question. So it's an easy level question, and the question name is replace employee's ID with the unique identifier. Here two table is given, one is employees and another is employee uni. So in employees table there are two columns, one is ID which is int type and name which is varchar type. And in employee uni table there are also two columns, ID and unique ID, both are int type. So we can see that here ID is the common column. Here is the main question. Now I am going to show a pictorial representation so that things get more clear. So let's see that. So yeah, this is the representation of the questions, and I will explain each and everything, so have patience. Now this is the question. Write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. So in our output there should be two columns. One is unique ID and their corresponding username. Now if a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. Means name column will be as it is, but in unique ID column some rows will be replaced with null values. So this can only happen in outer joins. Here we will use left outer join. Now what is left outer join? So it's basically a type of join that returns all the records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. See, I have written in short form. See, left join equals to common part plus remaining rows in left table. So here is the Venn diagram of left join. Now you may have question why we are using left join. So that we can confirm by observing the input and output example table. Now see, here employees is the left table and employee uni is the right table. So see, in first row ID value is column, means for Jonathan ID equals to 3, and in employee uni ID value is also 3 and corresponding unique ID is 1. So that's why in output like Jonathan is getting 1. Now for mayor, see, for mayor 11 and 11, here is also a common ID value, and that's why mayor is getting 2 as unique ID. Now for Winston, see, 9090, so matching ID value, and that's why Winston is getting 3 as its unique ID. So now in our output there are more two rows, Alice and Bob. So see, this is the common part. So this part is the common in between two table, and in left table there are two more rows, Alice and Bob. So according to the left join, common part and the remaining part of left table should come in our output, and that's why this common part is coming in our output. And now this is the remaining part, Alice and Bob, this is the remaining part, or we can say that unmatched part. So according to the left join, the remaining or unmatched part of left table should come in our output. And see, here it is coming, Alice and Bob, and their corresponding unique ID value is null, as there is no matching ID. So that's why it's getting replaced with null values. So I hope it's clear that why we are using left join here. So now let's write the query. So first write the column names that I need to return in my output with select keyword. So first write select. Now write the column names. Now write from which table we are taking those columns. So one is from employees table and another is from employee unit table. So I am representing employees table as E and employee unit table as U. So now I need to write which type of join I am performing here. So I am performing left join. So write that left join. Now on which column? So that is the ID column. Now why I write e.id? Because from which table I am taking this ID column, that I need to mention, because it's common between two tables. Now end it with a semicolon, else it will give you error. Now let's submit the code. Yes, it is submitted. So with this question I am wrapping up today. Hope everything get clear, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.